aging isn't inevitable. Old skin has more methylation. So what actually reverses skin aging? Controlled stress actually makes our skin stronger. Don't take antioxidants right after exercise. 10 pillars that keep your genes and your skin young. So I just got back from a longevity summit sponsored by Eucerin, where I learned something that could completely change how I think about skin aging. What if I told you that aging isn't inevitable and that we can actually reverse it at the cellular level? This is going to blow your mind. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Weinstein and I'm a board-certified dermatologist. I just spent 3 days at a longevity summit in Hamburg, Germany, learning from the world's leading researchers on aging. What I discovered isn't just changing medicine, it's revolutionizing how we approach skincare and anti-aging. Here's what we've been getting wrong about skin aging. We've been treating symptoms, the wrinkles, the spots, the sagging, instead of addressing the root cause. We've been putting band-aids on a problem that starts at the DNA level. Most skincare focuses on the surface, but what I learned is that aging happens because the information in our cells gets corrupted over time. Think of it like a scratched CD. The music is still there, but it can't play properly. The same thing happens to our skin cells and all of the cells in our body. Let's talk about the information theory of aging. The biggest revelation came from Dr. David Sinclair's research on what's called the information theory of aging. He discovered that cells don't age because they wear out, they age because they lose the information that tells them how to function properly. Your skin has a backup copy of this information in every single cell. The problem is, as we age, the proteins that should be maintaining this information get distracted repairing DNA damage. It's like your cell's IT department is constantly putting out fires instead of maintaining the system. So let's talk about the epigenome. This is your skin's control system. This is where the epigenome comes in. Think of your DNA as the hardware and your epigenome as the software. The epigenome controls which genes get turned on and off in your skin cells. When this software gets corrupted, your skin starts acting old even if the underlying DNA is fine. Old skin has more methylation, which are chemical tags on the DNA, than young skin. These tags are like switches that turn genes on and off. Too much methylation in the wrong places, and your skin forgets how to be young. So what actually reverses skin aging? Number one, it's so important to activate our longevity genes. First, we need to activate what are called sirtuins. These are longevity genes that repair your skin's epigenome. But here's the catch. Sirtuins need a molecule called NAD to function, and NAD levels decline dramatically as we age. The good news, we can boost NAD naturally. Intermittent fasting for at least 14 hours actually activates sirtuins. So does eating polyphenol-rich foods. Think berries, green tea, dark chocolate. These literally turn on our skin's repair gene. Now, it's important to remember that an intermittent fasting technique doesn't work for everyone. You have to make sure that it's what's right for you and your body in times of need. Not everybody can tolerate something like intermittent fasting, so make sure if you're trying this technique and you are having issues with it, check in with your doctor to make sure that it's right for you. Number two, strategic stress for skin. Second, we need to give our skin strategic stress. This sounds counterintuitive, but controlled stress actually makes our skin stronger. Cold exposure, heat from saunas, and exercise all activate cellular repair mechanisms. When you do a cold plunge or sit in a sauna, you're essentially training your skin cells to be more resilient. The stress response triggers the production of protective proteins that keep your skin functioning optimally. Third, your skin's epigenome needs specific nutrients to function properly. For example, choline is crucial. You need about 425 milligrams daily for women. That's equivalent to 4 egg yolks, but you can get it from 1 egg, 150 milligrams of salmon, 3 cups of cruciferous vegetables, and a gram of soy lecithin. Methyl donors from protein-rich foods help maintain proper DNA methylation patterns. Without these, your skin's genetic switches get stuck in the old position. Fourth, timing matters. Don't eat for 14 hours to activate something called chaperone-mediated autophagy, basically your cell's cleanup crew. This process removes damaged proteins that make your skin look aged. And here's something that absolutely shocked me. Don't take antioxidants right after exercise. Your skin needs that post-workout oxidative stress to trigger its own antioxidant production. Taking supplements blocks this natural process. The longevity researchers also identified 10 pillars that keep your genes and your skin young. Let me give you the most important ones for skin health. Pillar 1, epinutrition. Focus on protein and vegetables that provide methyl donors. Pillar 2, engage yourself in movement that creates beneficial stress. Pillar 3, quality sleep, at least 8 hours a night, because just one night of poor sleep can disrupt your circadian rhythm and age your skin. So pillar 6 really surprised me. Genuine pleasure actually activates protective genes in your immune cells, so enjoying life literally keeps your skin younger. Pillar 9, strategic sunlight. Morning sunlight synchronizes your circadian rhythm for better metabolism and skin repair. Now, here are some practical supplements and interventions. Based on the research, here's what actually works. Berberine is a natural form of a prescription drug called metformin that actually reduces your risk of skin aging. Take 1 gram daily, but not before the gym because it can interfere with exercise habits. Now, there's another ingredient called spermidine that induces autophagy, your skin's cleanup process. You can get this from fermented foods or supplements. And let's not forget about NMN, which is a precursor to NAD, which can help double your NAD levels. What excites me the most is that we're moving beyond treating aging to actually thinking about reversing it. Gene therapy, systemic peptides, and targeted interventions are coming that will reset our skin's biologic age. Now, this isn't science fiction. This is happening now. The key is understanding that your skin aging isn't inevitable. You have to be more in control than you think, but you need to work at that cellular level, not just the surface. The other thing to remember with skin longevity is that there are wonderful skincare companies like Eucerin that's doing this incredible research to add ingredients into their products that help to change our epigenetics, which means that all of those cells that are moving in the wrong direction, the proteins that are getting worn out, the antioxidants that we've stopped producing, these products will help penetrate the skin on the level of the surface to alter those epigenetic changes of our skin cells. So it's not only working from the inside that we can do every day and start now, but it's also companies like Eucerin doing groundbreaking research on topical formulations that can actually change our skin from the outside in. So stay tuned, lots more exciting information to come. So start with intermittent fasting if it's right for you. Add polyphenol-rich foods, get strategic stress from cold and heat, and prioritize sleep. These aren't just lifestyle changes, they're genetic interventions. So what surprised you most about this longevity research? Let me know in the comments, and if you want more cutting-edge science applied to skincare, make sure you like and subscribe to this video. The future of anti-aging is here, and it starts with understanding that your skin has the blueprint to be young. We just need to help it remember how to use it. I'll see you in the next video.